35 World Heritage Sites of India. Agra Fort, notified by UNESCO in year 1983. The Agra Fort, also referred to as the Red Fort, is the best example of how the Mughal dynasty flourished in India, thus, it is considered an important cultural monument. In 1983, the fort is built from red sandstone and surrounded by towers, moats, palaces and mosques. It is located next to the bank of the Yamuna River. Taj Mahal, notified by UNESCO in year 1983. Recognized as one of the 7 wonders of the world, Taj Mahal is a notable tourist attraction not just in India but all over the world. The Taj Mahal exemplifies the principles of a Mughal architectural style while the edifice is made purely out of white marble. The overall architectural design combines elements from India, Persia and Islam. It took 16 years to build the Taj Mahal and is therefore one of the UNESCO World Heritage Sites in India. Ajanta Caves, notified by UNESCO in year 1983. Ajanta Caves is a Buddhist cave system that was initially built in the 2nd century BC. The second phase of the cave was built in the 5th century AD. These caves showcase richly decorated paintings and frescoes. There are 31 rock-cut cave monuments found within the site, which are believed to be representative of Buddhist religious art. Ellora Caves, notified by UNESCO in year 1983. Located in Maharashtra, this site is a blend of religious arts from the Jainism, Buddhism and Hinduism practices. The cave is home to 34 monasteries and temples that were sculpted into the rocks of the basalt cliffs. This site is notable for its reflection of the ancient civilization in India. Group of monuments at Mahabalipuram, notified by UNESCO in year 1984. Carved from a rock, this collection of monuments was founded by the Pallava kings during the 7th to 8th centuries. The most distinctive features of the complex are the temples shaped like chariots, together with the cave sanctuaries and open-air reliefs. Sun Temple, Konark, notified by UNESCO in year 1984. This is another temple complex listed as a cultural site by UNESCO. The temple itself is shaped like a gigantic chariot with details including walls, pillars and carved stone wheels. It was also included in the list of the 7 wonders of India. Kaziranga Wildlife Sanctuary, Assam, notified by UNESCO in year 1985. The Kaziranga Wildlife Sanctuary is one of the province's most important tourist attractions. This area is most notable for being the habitat of the largest population of the Indian one-horned rhinoceros, as well as several other species of mammals and birds. Manas Wildlife Sanctuary, Assam, notified by UNESCO in year 1985. It is located within the plains in Manas River and the foot of the Himalayas. After it was declared as a reserved forest, it was elevated into a sanctuary until it was included in the Project Tiger, wherein the sanctuary was developed into a tiger reserve. Keoladeo National Park, notified by UNESCO in year 1985. This bird sanctuary is a famous attraction in India. Every year, there are thousands of birds that flock to the area, especially during winter. Meanwhile, it also serves as home to over 230 species of birds. Khajuraho Group of Monuments, Madhya Pradesh, notified by UNESCO in year 1986. These monuments were attributed to the Chandela dynasty in India. There are a total of 85 temples built within this complex, but only 22 survived. All of these temples have been around since the 10th century. It was inscribed by UNESCO in 1986. Fatehpur Sikri, Uttar Pradesh, notified by UNESCO in year 1986. This is a city in Agra district, which was founded in mid-16th century and served as capital for the Mughal Empire. After the victories are won, the construction of a new walled city was planned and it took 15 years to undergo planning and construction. It resulted in the construction of royal palaces, mosques, courts, private quarters and many other buildings. For this reason, the site is dubbed as the City of Victory. Churches and Convents of Goa, notified by UNESCO in year 1986. These monuments were built by the Portuguese colonial rulers during the 16th and 18th centuries in Goa. The Basilica of Bon Jesus is the primary structure among these monuments, which also houses the tomb with the relics of Saint Francis Xavier. This site has been dubbed as the Rome of the Orient. Group of monuments at Hampi, notified by UNESCO in year 1986. This group of monuments dominates a somber but ostentatious town of Hampi. The Virupaksha temple and several other monuments comprise this cultural heritage site. Group of monuments at Pattadakal, notified by UNESCO in year 1987. This site is composed of 9 Hindu temples and a Jain sanctuary. Most of these temples were built during the reign of the Chalukya dynasty from the 6th to the 8th centuries. The temples also showcase a combination of architectural styles inspired by northern and southern India. Elephanta Caves, notified by UNESCO in year 1987. This series of sculpted caves are located in Elephanta Island in India. There are 2 groups of caves on this site. One group consists of 5 Hindu caves and the other consists of 2 Buddhist caves. The rock-cut architecture used in both caves date back to the 5th century, however, it remains unknown as to exactly who built them. Great Living Chola Temples, notified by UNESCO in year 1987. There are 3 temples included in this site, all of which were built during the 11th to the 12th centuries. The temples are as follows: Brihadishwarar Temple in Thanjavur, Airaviteshwarar Temple and Brihadishwarar Temple in Gangakonda Choleswaram. All of these temples exemplify the architectural achievements of the Chola culture in India. It also showcases the other art forms they excelled in: bronze casting, painting and sculpture. Sundarbans National Park, notified by UNESCO in year 1987. This property is considered an important natural monument in India because it is a national park, tiger reserve and biosphere reserve. It is located in West Bengal, India. It is located adjacent to the Sundarban Reserve Forest in Bangladesh and close to the Ganges Delta. It is filled with mangrove forest and a giant reserve for Bengal tigers. Nanda Devi and Valley of Flowers National Parks, notified by UNESCO in year 1988. This is another natural site listed as one of the UNESCO World Heritage Sites in India. It is a park consisting of 2 core areas, Nanda Devi National Park and Valley of Flowers National Park. There is also a buffer zone defined for each property in this listing. Buddhist monuments at Sanchi, Madhya Pradesh, notified by UNESCO in year 1989. This site holds a collection of Buddhist monuments that date back from 200 to 100 BC. However, many believe that the site developed under the rule of Mauryan Empire in the 3rd century BC. Until the 12th century, these sanctuaries serve as active Buddhist religious monuments. Humayun's Tomb, Delhi, notified by UNESCO in year 1993. This tomb was commonly referred to as the precursor to the Taj Mahal, which introduced several innovations by the time it was built. Built in the 16th century, this site was listed by UNESCO due to its cultural value. It was built for by the widow of Mughal Emperor Humayun and is a work of Mirza Ghiyat using the Mughal architectural style. It has also earned the name as necropolis of the Mughal dynasty. The property holds the tomb of Humayun and 150 tombs from the royal family. QUTB Minor and its monuments, Delhi, notified by UNESCO in year 1993. The main feature of the complex is the red sandstone tower, QUTB Minor, that rises to a height of over 72 meters. These complex structures were built in the 13th century that testify to the Islamic depredations during that time. It is most notable for showcasing the artistic and architectural excellence of Islam. Mountain Railways of India, notified by UNESCO in years 1999, 2005 and 2008. This property is a combination of 3 railways in India that are located in the mountains. These railways were built in the 19th and 20th centuries. There are 5 mountain railways in India but only 3 were recognized by UNESCO. Of the 5, the mountains railways are: 1 Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, Darjeeling, West Bengal; 2 Nilgiri Mountain Railway, Ooty, Tamil Nadu; 3 Kalka Shimla Railway, Himachal Pradesh. Mahabodhi Temple Complex at Bodh Gaya, Bihar, notified by UNESCO in year 2002. This temple complex is not only a World Heritage Site in India but is also considered as one of the 4 holy sites relating to the life of Buddha. It is one of the first Buddhist temples that were constructed solely out of brick. In fact, it started the development of brick architecture in the centuries to follow. UNESCO recognized both the temple area and the lotus pond around it in the listing. Rock shelters of Bhimbetka, Madhya Pradesh, notified by UNESCO in year 2003. It was recognized by UNESCO as a repository of rock paintings within sandstone formations expanding up to nearly 2,000 hectares of land area. The paintings within these rock shelters are believed to date back to the Mesolithic period. Champaner Pavagad Archaeological Park, Gujarat, notified by UNESCO in year 2004. This cultural site was inscribed in 2004 as it holds a large collection of unexcavated archaeological properties within a prehistoric landscape, from palaces, to religious buildings, to fortifications and agricultural structures, all of these combine to making this site important to the region. Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus, formerly Victoria Terminus, notified by UNESCO in year 2004. This historic railway station is located in Mumbai, India. It is also the headquarters for the Central Railways in India. This station is one of the busiest in the country. The station was designed during the late 19th century by architect Frederick William Stevens. The completion of this project took 10 years and was originally named after Queen and Empress Victoria. Red Fort Complex, notified by UNESCO in year 2007. This palace fort was built for the 5th Mughal emperor in the 17th century. In 2007, it was inscribed as one of the UNESCO World Heritage Sites in India due to the unique architectural design that features a blend of Indian, Persian and Timuri styles. The enclosure wall surrounding this palace complex is made out of red sandstone, which is why it was named as the Red Fort Complex. Jantar Mantar, Jaipur, notified by UNESCO in year 2010. This site is home to a collection of architectural astronomical instruments, in which the construction was commissioned for by Maharaja Jai Singh II. There are 5 facilities within in total that were built in different locations. The one in Jaipur is the largest and best preserved out of the 5 facilities. Western Ghats, notified by UNESCO in year 2012. This mountain range is located on the western part of India. It is listed as one of the world's biodiversity hotspots and is therefore listed under the natural category for UNESCO World Heritage Sites in India. There are 39 properties in total that is included within this property, which includes wildlife sanctuaries, forest reserves and national parks. Hill Forts of Rajasthan, notified by UNESCO in year 2013. Located in northern India, this World Heritage Site is composed of 6 forts: Chittorgarh Fort, Kumbhalgarh Fort, Ranthambore Fort, Gagroan Fort, Amber Fort and Jaisalmer Fort. These forts are located within the Aravalli range and date back to the 5th century AD. This property is listed under the cultural category. Rani Ki Vav, the Queen's Stepwell, notified by UNESCO in year 2014. Located in the town of Patan, this stepwell is listed as a cultural monument of India by UNESCO. It is intricately constructed near the banks of Saraswati River. It is a subterranean water resource and storage system that was ahead of its time upon its construction in the 3rd millennium BC. It was constructed featuring the Maru Gurjara architectural style that consists of 7 levels of stairs and an inverted temple. There are also about 500 sculptures found within this property. Great Himalayan National Park, notified by UNESCO in year 2014. The park itself was founded in 1984 and consists of alpine meadows, alpine peaks and riverine forests. The glacial and snow meltwater is an important source for the water supply catchments below it. In addition, it is home to many species of mammals, birds, reptiles, mollusks, amphibians, and insects. Archaeological site of Nalanda Mahavihara, Nalanda University at Nalanda, Bihar, notified by UNESCO in year 2016. Nalanda Mahavihara, commonly known as Nalanda University, has its origins back in 5th to 12th centuries and flourished most in time of Gupta Empire. Archaeologists believe it to be the first and the oldest university of the Indian subcontinent. Kanchenjunga National Park, notified by UNESCO in year 2016. This is another natural site to the list of UNESCO World Heritage Sites in India that is located in the Himalayan mountain range. This national park houses the 3rd highest peak in the world, Mount Kanchenjunga. It also offers unique diversity in terms of landscape ranging from plains to valleys and glaciers. Meanwhile, a huge part of the park is composed of snow-capped mountains. The architectural works of Le Corbusier, notified by UNESCO in year 2016. The architectural works of Le Corbusier is one of those transnational properties. This particular listing is spread out to over 17 sites in 7 different countries. The other countries where these sites are located are Japan, France, Argentina, Belgium, Germany, and Switzerland.